Is it time to buy or sell EPSM Enterprise Ordinary Shares stock? In this video, we are diving deep into EPSM Enterprise Ordinary Shares. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 9th of September 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a complimentary price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of August, 2025, our system has ranked EPSM Enterprise Ordinary Shares as a hold or accumulate, giving it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 590.35% since we initially recommended purchasing EPSM Enterprise Ordinary Shares 21 days ago. This equates to an average return of 28.11% per day, since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could move in either direction. The stock has broken through a notably wide and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating an even more robust rate of ascent. Should there be any pullback, support is now established at the level of $37.96, which could present a second opportunity for a significant gain. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 65% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -75% to -54%. Our latest daily update for EPSM Enterprise Ordinary Shares includes the headline, Volatile Ride for EPSM Enterprise Limited Ordinary Shares Stock Price on Tuesday, moving between 25.86 and 153.55. The EPSM Enterprise Limited Ordinary Shares stock price gained 411.49% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 9th of September, 2025, rising from 26.98 to 138. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 493.81%, with a day low at 25.86 and a day high of 153.55. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 456% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 252,000 shares, with a total of 656,000 shares bought and sold for approximately 90,500,000. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was 153.55, while the lowest price was 4.23. Currently, the price is 10.13%, or 15.55, below the 52-week high of 153.55, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. EPSM Enterprise, ticker EPSM, completed a $5 million initial public offering in late March of 2025, issuing 1.25 million shares at $4 per share and commencing trading on NASDAQ. On August 25, 2025, the company entered into a non-binding memorandum of understanding with Era Future Macau Performance Art Limited to explore a strategic collaboration in variety show planning, event management, film and television support, and integrated marketing. In the short term, the market impact of the IPO introduced new capital and a public float, resulting in typical early volatility and low liquidity for EPSM. The Memorandum of Understanding could potentially trigger a near-term rebound as traders speculate on revenue diversification. However, stock movement will depend on clarity regarding the deal and the establishment of concrete milestones, as this memorandum is non-binding. Looking at the long-term implications, if the partnership evolves into solid contracts that extend beyond EPSM's core alcohol import and wholesale operations, it could enhance top-line growth and support a higher valuation. On the other hand, risks associated with execution, the concentrated Macau market, and the limited size of the offering suggest that investors should anticipate ongoing volatility. until tangible revenue and profit contributions become evident. Analysts have assigned EPSM Enterprise Ordinary Shares stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for EPSM Enterprise Ordinary Shares. The EPSM Enterprise Limited Ordinary Share stock receives buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During market corrections, support can be expected at levels of $41.24 and $23.49. A decline below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. A buy signal originated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated 926.02%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite price gains. This divergence between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign. Thus, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal, pivots, buy signal from 31 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 23 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 21 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 25 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 32 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for EPSM Enterprise Ordinary Shares. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of $127.69 between its highest and lowest points, which represents a change of 493.81%. For the past week, the average daily volatility has been 106.10%. Before we dive into the potential advantageous trading levels for EPSM Enterprise Ordinary Shares, let's briefly review some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This notably high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such elevated ratios. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for EPSM Enterprise Ordinary Shares. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you may want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, suggesting that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. Our recommended stop loss is set at $134.47, reflecting a decrease of 2.56%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 97, further amplifying that risk. However, there is a buy signal indicated from a pivot bottom identified 30 days ago. Is EPSM Enterprise Ordinary Shares stock a good buy? EPSM Enterprise Limited Ordinary Shares shows several positive signals. However, we believe these are insufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning you may choose to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment of this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a hold candidate. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 10th of September, we anticipate that EPSIUM Enterprise ordinary shares will open lower by $32.20 and begin trading at $105.80. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.